guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys some more lifts I found around Barnsley. Hope you enjoy the video. First is a techno lift at the library.
Going up.
Let's go to 3.
Please mind the doors. Doors closing.
Has a Leicester voice.
Going up.
Capacity 17 persons, 1275 kilos, and made in 2019.
Floor 3.
Here we are at 3.
Doors opening.
Now let's go
Mind
back down
the
to
doors.
0.
Doors closing. Going down.
For a Leicester voice and a techno lift, this is really nice.
Ground floor.
Here we are back down at 0.
Doors opening.
Now let's do the lifts at the Alhambra shopping centre.
Lift going up.
Let's go to MR level.
Doors closing.
It used to be a Coney M series lift, but it was modernised by ThyssenKrupp lift. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos.
Market Street level.
Here we are at Market Street level. Let's go back down to Cheapside.
Doors closing.
Quite slow.
Cheapside level.
Here we are at Cheapside level.
Doors opening. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Now let's do these 2 glass lifts.
Mind the doors. Doors closing.
Let's go to gallery or car park level 6. It used to be an old Coney lift, but it was modernised by new Coney lift. Capacity 16 persons, 1250 kilos. Very nice glass lift.
Car park floor.
Here we are, car park or gallery.
Doors opening.
Let's go back down to Cheapside.
Doors. Doors closing. Going down. Cheapside floor.
Here we are back at Cheapside.
Doors opening. Going up. Please mind the doors. Doors.
Now let's do the other lift.
Cheapside. Lift going up.
Let's go up to G. It's another cone lift. Capacities 1250 kilos, 16 persons. It's another glass lift.
Doors opening. Gallery.
Here we are at gallery. Let's go back down to Cheapside. Here we are back down at Cheapside.
Cheapside. Lift going up. Doors closing.
Now let's do the lift at the car park. So basically, if you're wondering what's going on right here, I pressed the lift to go up to 6, but like the button, like it wasn't working, or it wasn't like showing like the red button, so we had to go down to 1, which is a pain.
Lift going down.
Let's go down to 1.
Doors closing.
Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos, modernised in 2006. This is lift number 9.
First floor. Doors
Here we are at
opening.
1.
Lift
Now
going
let's
up.
go up to 6.
Doors closing.
It's very fast.
Sixth floor.
Here we are at 6th floor.
Doors opening. Lift going down.
Now let's go back down to 3.
Doors closing.
Door close button works, like that.
Third floor.
Here we are
Doors
back down at
opening.
3.
Lift going down. Doors closing.
Now let's do some more lifts at the glassworks. First, be in a Coney monospace lift at Sports Direct. Nice chime. Let's go up to 1. Door close button works like that. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos, made in 2021. There are 2 button panels. Here we are at 1. Let's go back down to G. It's a very nice and new Coney monospace. There's the keypad for the staff. Here we are back down at 1. Now let's do another techno lift at Next. Let's go up to 1.
Mind the doors.
It's a techno lift. Capacity is 1,600 kilos, 21 persons, made in 2021. Here we are at 1. Let's go
First
back
floor.
down to G.
Mind the doors. Mind the doors.
And there's 2 buttons for the staff and the floor directory.
Ground floor. Mind the doors.
The doors didn't close, so I had to cut the video. Anyway, let's do the last lift at TK Maxx. Let's go to 1. Button went out for some reason. It's an Otis Gen 2 life lift. Capacity is 13 persons, 1,000 kilos. Here we are at 1, let's go back down to G. It's a very nice lift. This is my first ever Otis Gen 2 life lift. I think this is a really nice upgrade from the Otis Gen 2s and 2000s lifts. Hi guys, thank you for watching that long video again. I will continue to make these and I hope you really enjoy them. Anyway, thanks for watching this video and have a good day. Bye!